Hi there, meet the SUPEASY Desk Organizer with file holder, designed to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. This 5-tier desktop organizer features 3 pen holders, a sliding letter tray, and a removable side file folder holder for versatile storage. Made from strong metal mesh, it is sturdy and built to last with anti-slip feet for extra stability. The pen holders are adjustable to fit your various office supplies, while the side folder can be attached on either side to suit your needs. Assembly is quick and easy, with included screwdriver bits and an instructional video to guide you. Its modern gray design fits perfectly in any office, home, school, or classroom setting. Stay organized with SUPEASY and transform your workspace into a clutter-free zone. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.